Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a nice cozy clean with me, so I'm going to be going around giving everything a good tidy up and a good clean and just getting it nice and cozy and feeling festive. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do go ahead and subscribe using the subscribe button down below, and also go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So today's video is also a collaboration with Marie Asprey today. We've done a collaboration before and you guys absolutely loved it, so we thought we would come together and do another one today. She's going to go ahead and have a realistic clean with me up on her channel, so once you've finished watching this one, please do pop over and give hers a watch as well. I know that she would love to have you there, so don't forget to subscribe to her channel and also let her know down in the comments if you came from here, and I'm going to have everything you need linked in the description box below.
Hey you guys, my name is Marie. I'm a stay-at-home, work-from-home mama from Georgia. I have 3 kids. I have 2 toddlers and 1 older child. And over on my channel, you're gonna find tons of motherhood and lifestyle inspiration, as well as cleaning motivation, recipes, hauls, and homemaking. My channel is all things motherhood and all things homemaking, so if you are interested in that style of content, be sure you hit that big red subscribe button before you leave this video today. I love inspiring other women and other mothers through my content here on YouTube and on Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram at Marie Love Asbury. My life is not perfect and it's not always easy, but it's my life and I enjoy sharing it with all of my subscribers. See you soon.
So if you have been here before, you know how much I love a clean sink, and the first thing I always do is go in and do any washing up that was left from the night before, get that all put away so I can then go in and give the sink a good clean. So once that was all done, I'm now going to go in with the Cif cream. I love the Cif cream, it smells amazing, and for some reason I just find it really satisfying scrubbing it all on. So I'm just going to go ahead, put it all on, scrubbing off any stains and marks and anything that might be stuck to the sink, giving it a good scrub over before I then go over with the white vinegar spray just to buff it up even more and make it extra shiny. So once the sink's done, next up is just going over all of the sides and making them ready for the day, just making sure they are nice and clean. And I'm going in using the Flash all-purpose spray in the spiced apple. I've been loving this spray this year. I'm really glad that I picked it up. I normally stick with the Method brand. I don't normally get Flash, so I'm really glad that I decided to give this a go. It was mainly just because it was spiced apple. It was nice and festive and I wanted everything to smell Christmassy and festive this year, so I'm really glad that I did pick it up. So definitely do check out other brands that you don't normally check out, because you could be really surprised on what your new favourite brand could be. So once I'd finished wiping everything down, I'm just going to go in, give it a quick hoover and a mop, because it has been a little while since I've mopped the floors and they were getting pretty bad. And I love the steam mop just because I can add in my favourite Sephora scent. So of course I'm going to be adding in the warm cinnamon scent just to give it an even more festive feel in this kitchen. So I'm just going to go around getting rid of any marks on the floor before we head through and sort out the living room. So the first thing I need to do is just whiz around and put everything back where it belongs, doing a quick tidy up. As Cinnabon doesn't have a playpen anymore, we use these parts just to create a run for him, and I do a different one every day. So he has a different run and just a different thing to play with. So I'm just going to move that all out the way while he's sleeping, he's not using it, and then I can whiz around, give it a good tidy up, clear the floor so I can give it a hoover. There's always so much to sort out on the sofa because he's not jumping up yet. We do just pile everything on the sofa when we go to bed, so every morning I've got to then go around and sort out everything ready for the day.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So I wasn't actually planning on steam mopping the carpets today, but it worked so well the last time I did it, I thought I would give it another go. Now the rabbit is just free roam, I want to make sure the carpets stay nice and fresh and clean and don't smell like animals. So I did want to go in and just freshen them up a little bit, giving them a good mop. And of course it has the warm cinnamon scent in it as well, so it is making the living room smell amazing. So I'm just going to go around giving everything a good scrub over with the mop and just getting it nice and fresh.
And we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go.
Next up on my list was to do the polishing, and you know I love a good polish. I just think it makes the room more complete. It smells amazing. It's just so fresh and clean, and for some reason I always feel more relaxed when the room has had a good polish and a hoover. Those two put together just complete the room for me. So I'm just going to move off the ornaments, giving everything a good polish over, making it nice and fresh, getting rid of any dust and marks that might be on the sides. I also do the radiator cover as well, just to make sure that stays nice and fresh.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
once everything's had a good clean, I just needed to sort out Cinnabon's toys. He doesn't use that bed because it doesn't have an exit. I didn't realise when buying it that rabbits need an entrance and an exit. So I'm just going to use that bed to put his toys in and keep everything together. And I just think this room looks so much cozier once it's all done. I'm going to go over it, giving it a good spray with my Airwick mulled wine because you know I love this scent. And yeah, everything just feels so much cozier. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget that it is a collaboration with Marie today. I'm going to leave everything you need down in the description box below so you can head over, give her a follow, and also let her know that you came from here in the comments. And I will see you back here in the next one.